Good morning, ma'am. I am Ron Marby Mayas from BS Ed Math 1C, and for today's, I would like to report technique of oral presentation. Definition: an oral presentation is a formal, structural, and systematic presentation of a message to audience. Features: an oral presentation is a form of communication. It is participative two-way communication process characterized by the formal and structured presentation of a message using visual aids. It is purposeful, interactive, and audience-oriented. It communicates message to audience in a way that brings about the desired change in their understanding and opinion. Forms of oral presentation: seminars, workshop, symposia, student and team presentation, departmental presentations, industry conference, press conference or product launches, annual general meeting, profile presentation. Objectives: exploring a new area of information, introducing a new product by a company, conferring with industry people, advertising the products, informing developments of a company. Types of presentation: extempore presentation, prepared oral presentation. Barriers to effective presentation: fear, lack of preparation, unable to control one's ideas. How to make a good oral presentation? Number 1. Conquering stage fright. Number 2. Knowing the audience. Number 3. Content of the presentation. Number 4. Structure of the presentation. Number 5. Delivery of the presentation. And lastly, remembering 4 P's. Number 1. Conquering stage fright. Some amount of stage fright is helpful. The main reason is that we are not accustomed to speak in public. Symptoms in beginners are trembling arms, excessive sweating, lack of fluency, etc. are mental blocks. Prepare the subject thoroughly. Do some warm-up exercise such as rotating arms, moving the facial muscles, taking deep breath before speaking. Take carbohydrate-rich meal before going to make presentation. Positive thinking: I will make the presentation and I am confident. Number 2, knowing the audience. Before planning, we should consider the age group of the audience, know the need of the audience, utility of the presentation for the audience, information gained after attending the presentation. Number 3, content of the presentation. It should not be too difficult to understand. If too long, shorten the content according to the time available. Include examples and instructions to support the argument. Structure of the presentation. Introduction. Introduce the topic. Body. Provide detailed information to the audience about the topic. Use anecdotes or raise questions to arouse interest. Conclusion. State the goal and uses of the presentation. Leave the audience with a positive feeling about you and your ideas. Delivery of the presentation. The quality of the voice. A. Adjust your tone according to the size of the audience. Use microphone or collar mic. Give pauses to allow the listener to understand. Pronounce difficult words properly and correctly. B. Rapport with the audience. Look into the eyes of the audience while presenting. Shift from one pair of eye to another so that you have to glance all of them. Try to involve the audience in present action by asking questions. C. Pay attention to body language. Express your confidence in your smile and movement. Stand straight and do not stagnate at one place. Avoid unnecessary movement of hands. Always dress in formals. D. Effective use of visual aids. Remember the value of pictures, symbols, and objectives while preparing transparencies of OHP. Use a plain font of substantial size 18 point or more. Do not use more than 3 colors. Practice before how to operate the equipment. 6. Remembering 4Ps. 4Ps, planning, practice, perform, preparation. A. Planning. Define a purpose, analyze the audience, analyze the occasion, select a suitable title. B. Preparation. Develop the central idea, develop the main ideas, gather supporting information. C. Practice. Rehearse before presenting it to the audience. Time the presentation, outline the presentation. D. Perform. Begin the presentation with confidence. Be organized. Pay attention to nonverbal behavior. Use 4 appropriate visual aids. Don't while using visual aids. Avoid using a diagram prepared for a technical report in the presentation. Slides should contain necessary information. Avoid pointing at the transparent with a pen. Don't block the audience vision. And that's all. Thank you.